How to delete Instagram search suggestions. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the quick way to delete Instagram search suggestions. First of all, open Instagram app on your device. Tap on the profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on the three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Now select your activity option. Scroll down. Tap recent searches, and these are all your Instagram search suggestions. You can tap on clear all button at top right corner of the screen and clear all your recent searches history, or you can tap on the cross icon next to the Instagram account's name. So, in this way, you can easily delete Instagram search suggestions by manually one by one or by clearing all of your history. So, that's it. I hope this video worked for you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.